Least common multiple. LCM using prime factorization. To find an LCM of two larger numbers, we're first going to find the prime factorization of each number. Then we're going to use all the unique factors, and then we're going to assign the largest exponent to each factor. So let's see how that works. In example 1, it says to find the LCM of 24 and 36. We don't generally will use mental math with these because they're a little bit harder to find when we get bigger numbers. So I'm going to do the prime factorization of this. And I prefer to use the box rather than the factor tree, but you're more than welcome to use the factor tree. I like the box because I can actually do my division using the box. So I have 2 goes into 2 one time, 2 goes into 4 2 times. That leaves me with 12. 12 is divisible by 2. And 2 goes into 12 6 times. And 6 divisible by 2, leaving with 3. So my prime factorization for that is going to be 2 cubed times 3. Now let's do 36. 36 is divisible by 2. 2 goes into 3 one time. And 3 minus 2 is 1, so that'd be 16. So 2 goes into 16 8 times. 18 is divisible by 2, which would give me 9. 9 is divisible by 3, leaving me with 3. So my prime factorization for this one is going to be 2 squared times 3 squared. Now we want the unique factors from both, and my only unique factors are 2 and 3. And then remember I said that we are going to take the largest exponent for each unique factor. So our largest exponent for 2 is 2 cubed, and our largest exponent for 3 is going to be 3 squared. Now that I've done that, I'm going to expand my numbers back out and multiply so that we can get our LCM. Well, 2 cubed is going to be 8. 3 squared is 9, so I have 8 times 9, which would give me 72. So our LCM here is 72. Let's take a look at example 2. Here we're looking at 54 and 90. So let's start with 54. 54 is divisible by 2. 2 goes into 5 2 times. We have 5 minus 4, which would be 1, so I'll carry a 1. So 2 goes into 14 7 times. 27 is divisible by 3, leaving me with 9. 9 is divisible by 3, leaving me with 3. So my prime factorization for 54 is going to be 2 times 3 cubed. Now let's look at 90. Well, 90 is divisible by 2. And 90 divided by 2 would be 45. 45 is divisible by 5, leaving me with 9. 9 is divisible by 3, leaving me with 3. So my prime factorization for 90 is going to be 2 times 3 squared times 5. So now we're looking for our LCM. Our unique factors is 2, 3, and 5. I'm taking the highest exponent for each unique factor. So my 2 is going to be just 2. For my 3, my highest exponent is going to be 3, so I have 3 cubed. My highest exponent is for 5 is 1, so it'll just be 5. So multiplying these out, I'd have 2 times 3 cubed, which is 27, times 5. So the easiest way for me to do this is I take my 2 times 5, which would be 10, And so then I would have 10 times 27, which would be 270. So my LCM here is 270.